Yeah, morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
How are
What do you hold it off? But I don't know. That look up pussy all in do is just slip the thing that can help. But me for staff, you know.
you? No food over here.
No, you know. A sin to feed a lazy woman. Because I tell you, oh, by the way, what going for your rent?
You know, say to me now, work, make you not get it.
Why? You are a tenant to over 5 years now. And I can't count how much time you pay your rent.
Fire, you know, if you deal with me, so you know. You know, so when time me used to have him, me always carry my rent come give you. But few little months now, me not work, you have to deal with me, so. I'm making next door neighbor, them are here.
You pay me when you have work with you, me not lie. But you and your work business is like when people have sex. You're in a job, you're out a job. In a job, you're out a job. You never turn in a one job for too long. So, all throughout the year, you no work 2 months. Because you're in a car, you know. What the last work now?
Let me tell you something. You feel someone that really in a one job. They get good pay. And just walk and fight just so. The boss then can't keep them private in them pants. They have their woman in the yard and then still want them with the workers them and me can't go with that. Me not there with no boss.
Me know what you say still, cause me know them stay. But so what? If them take it out, you put it in back in it and keep it walk. They can touch you and put it in you, then take you put it back in the pants then take your type pants and put it back in. You know what I mean? You know if you do alright now. You know say you can reach. You there and you know say you can reach. You can reach. When they take you out your video and put it on TikTok. You don't know so much about it, but put it on it go viral, you get your money. Me think that I don't know how the technology go, but me think say it go viral. If then you no problem, you can use your head, man.
Fine, I know me I go through, you know. You don't know say last place when I go work. I want Chinese boy me I work with. And him come tell me boy want come squeeze up my breast with bun and cheese through Easter soon come. And I think with April 8 and he start with bun and cheese argument to me. Me tired for me and bun and cheese and me not make no man come use it for bun and cheese neither. Me not so cheap and me not come down so low. Me prefer walk off a job. You have a style. Every time I pass, I touch off of me. I mean, I like them sitting there like he wants to me. I can't take them foolishness there.
Me now watch you, I mean now listen you. But I told you that me no want no man in my yard. Cause me and man no plant peas align. Me suspect some man a come here time to time. Me a smell man over your yard. Me just a smell cause even one night you know. One night I come out on the veranda here, I'm here, reggae. Oh, because I clear my throat, everything silent. So, you can't tell me, say, you know, can man come here, you know. But I tell you, any day I catch you with the man, yeah, you and him have to go.
You know, say you're the nice with you. But I don't know what I did do. I want my friend of mine that asked about one work. They come tell me about it. So when they ask him how much they pay and what kind of work me I go do. Maybe when he push the door and tell him to come in. I don't know what kind of sound you could have ever hear. I don't care no man come and fire. I don't have no man.
Alright, well, me kind of tired, so I never tariff hear the whole story, you know. But I feel say, if I'm my yard and I'm here in the yard, you know what is I'm alone there? I'm me alone there. So me celibate. So if me celibate, you must celibate too. And argument done, but apart from that, I have no food to give you. But here last night, I call somebody we have a look at work. So I will give you the address and you go down there, go see if you fit the requirements. You can read that right?
Yes.
Alright, just go down there and tell them me send you. I go give you the address. I must write it down here before, but I go and go write up the address and give you. You go on the road and go find the work, then pay good money. So go down there, go get the work, so you can start paying my rent because you can't stay here. Actually, a woman now. You know, actually a woman do you get where? Actually a woman, I something with make it turn.
Fire. What make you tell me say I have no food and me hungry? If me did have food, I would not ask for it, you know. And me out here so I smell food like you're cooking in your kitchen. You can't just give me little like food.
You never know. Look like me have got start make some new rule here, you know. You see anything you smell here, block your nose. The food are in there enough. It's a little bit of food. You understand? And the food are for me, myself, and I. So when me eat some now, the next part of me eat some later, and then in the night, you know, so that as some do. 3 meals a day.
You're too mean. Because anything you ask me to do for you, me do it for you.
Hey, what? Don't talking. Come go on over here, I don't know. Me not like so much people from my veranda. See puss, I go and enjoy himself.
Everything good, man. Me not like how you deal with me, you know. I hope you not come back and knock me do at night time. You say you go and chase the people. I try to insult me, everything good. Make sure you not come knock me door at night time about why you have a feel. You're too mean.
Sorry, puss. You're alone getaway. You're alone getaway.
Dolly. Dolly.
Dolly.
No, sir.
Dolly.
Girl, all right. You sit down just up a morning with mirror in your hand. What you do? Look here, not even the rabbit them you don't know say if you go feed.
Me go feed them.
When you go feed them? Get up and go feed the rabbit them. So where you wait pan?
Me go do it.
Stop your blasted coming and go feed the rabbit them. How will you take this thing for? Let me see how long you go wait to go feed the rabbit them.
Dolly this, Dolly that. Tired like a dog. And last night me a party.
Daddy, good morning.
Morning.
You know, say money me come for go to school and I mean, no money, you know.
Alright, apart from that, your mother called me more than 3 hours ago. Where did they a while ago?
I taxi me did a wait pan. If you carry me coming down here, because you know see how far and the sun is hard. I walk part the journey already and take taxi for the rest.
Alright.
Right now me all thirsty and me hungry.
Alright, what me I say to you now? Your mother should have known say me now no money coming now work.
But you have tenant at your place so they rent out, you say you must have money.
Tenant there, yes, but one tenant. But she now neither. Candy!
Oi!
Look at it.
Now come.
Yeah, work.
Me tell you already something now work. How walk?
And she may try to prove it too. Because she's gonna lie me and tell she me have tenant. Candy now work. And she am only tenant me have. So I just the money come from. Me have the big house, yes. And me now work. So you see court business, if she come in a court, you now get no money. My daughter, me go try find a way if you get some money and enjoy yourself. But even now, you see you're hungry and thirsty, you don't come for already. See your money, go back shop, go buy yourself a drinks and a biscuit and eat. Because it's on hard for you. Go on.
I did too like you say your money and a friend. And Monday at school. And me here no come.
Look at more black. I'm why not? That's what I'm not now. Go and go buy this and come back. Go and go buy this and when I come back, some money I can give. Go and go buy the drinks and stuff.
Kira!
Oi,
Bye, Pri. Wagwan girl.
me a forward.
Forward, brother. I don't know you won't sell you.
Wagwan.
I'm free now. You good?
Yeah.
Where are you with Nadine?
Hot man.
Oh, the worst. So you do with that one in here?
You know, some day and I was fixing up for my auntie phone.
You know, so I have something to tell you though? Because I can't turn right to see you. I just stress out.
What no?
You know, so my stepfather, they try to molest me every minute.
What?
Yeah.
So you not tell nobody?
Of course. Me tell my mother. 100 times me tell the woman. She don't believe me.
Oh, she for you mean she
Me
don't
don't know him
believe
must
you.
love him man over me. She don't believe and I know when somebody don't believe somebody.
How can I foolish? So what you gonna do about that?
Right now, me just want to left right test, brother. Me can't go and stay over your yard with you. No one the right test you.
I'm not sure about that, you know. I have to go ask my mother.
Please, just ask some mother try to convince her. Me
You know
can't
my mother
stay
stay with him. We can't convince her.
Please, bigger, even on the floor, because he reached one point where man, me see man over me this morning, you know. They try to come on top of me, you know. Pick your mother, please, Kira.
Me go try to talk to her, but nobody worry about that. Come we go link Daddy and we try to figure something out.
Alright.
Alright.
We're going to buy this and come back. Candy, we know say you did analysis in the story, you know. Look for that little girl. Look for her hair. You say hair pretty. Look for my hair, nigga hair, and her mother, nigga hair. That means you think I might put that?
Fire, you will just insult me. Eh?
Me ask you a question. Listen, I can put you out, you know. Remember, I can put you out. Answer me nice.
Fire,
Answer me
if you want
nicely.
to put me out today, put me out, but me will tell you the truth. Fire, make you call me out and so insult me in front of your daughter. If you go back tell your mama, oh,
No.
you tenant where you have down here, no have no money and she not work.
But you have
Where
money.
try prove?
You have money.
Me not no money, but then if you tell you little
They
thing that
say
can call me in
only
front
the
of her.
truth shall set you free. So what? You say no money. So where you going like you give? You know no money.
The truth shall set you free?
Yes.
Then you don't know say fear pick me where you come comparing here with fear here and ask me about this and that about pick me about. Oh, look how here pretty.
Me ask you a question. Because me have nigga here and her mother a nigga. So she have cool here. So me ask you a question if I should do a DNA. Yeah. And you are telling me, because me have two you for pay rent. You know if it no get better with me and fresh with me now. Because first thing first, you know pay for December, January, February, and now we are passing to March. And me still not put you out. I don't give you an eviction yet, you know.
Fire the pit, they not have to have for your dry head. You can't have for your mother here or somebody in your family. If the mama head even dry, that no make no sense where you are talking now. Go and go do DNA. You have money if you go do DNA, but you have no money if it's your pitney figure at school. I'm you want come and start with me. Wrong somebody has start pan this morning.
No, look like you ask for me. I chase you want chase me. What you tell me about? Alright, you know. If the pitney have nigga ear, I'm more likely my pitney. Cause my mother not have cool ear neither. So we are telling them, give me some people in the family have cool ear, yes. So I must have feed them pitney. Talking about that, some woman love family business, you know. He love a friend and company with family and so, you know. So mind, you put things in my mind, you know. It can be somebody's not a family pitney for true. But you know, I feel my pitney. So, but me see I kick up
Where
and
you
I
try
kick
to
up.
say fire?
So me I say no. I cut you come for cuss me now.
What you try to say?
Hello.
You act like a me your breed and a female and your pitney. Look here, the man when me used to have, him a coolie. So who to tell if I know him go breed for your baby mother? I am matter of fact, stop calling me in your story. Me no business with you. Where you come call me for? And you know what? Let me tell you something. Me soon left out of your place because me tired of your insult. Come back and knock on me door again. Every night you do it, I'm going to run you and dash dirty water in your face.
I might charge you. Slam me and pop it off. But see me dying trial there. Me I help you. You know what? Alright. Not another backside mountain here. Not another backside mount for free. Because look how me call and I talk to you so neatly and nicely. Look how me talk to you so calm. Not to neighbor couldn't hear me name and you kick up on me. You kick up on me? Neighbor not hear me and talk to you and you everybody hear your mouth. Not another month.
Daddy, I want you.
No man, I'm a lieutenant man. But Lord of Jesus. One month a while ago. Oh, you buy so much biscuit. Me no want no biscuit. Ah, you know where you go though? You go, what tell me I eat now?
I order them you eat.
What tell me I eat now?
You order them.
You know what? I go teach you something. You go eat this now. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Daddy, them alone can't hold big girl like me.
Come on, man. My father, you know. If you don't follow me, say, it work. Your mom that day, she don't follow me, say, too. Yeah, you that day, too. Listen now. She go buy 4 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of cornmeal, and 16 mackerel.
So I want before I go to school.
Yo, you mess it here now. You have to understand, you know. me and your mother get you. So that means a 50% each. Half of me, half of her. So you see, me a feed you, she responds for your transportation to school.
And she a do the whole 100 and me and 2 million ready to take money and go give.
Come go on here, yard. Come. You look like fresh. I try to take a broomstick and get too tight. You look like fresh. When me I look up, me couldn't even talk to my papa and kick me down. Go on here, yard. Outside, picking them and all job.
Dali,
Yes, mommy.
me go to shop. And Dali, me no like when me have to talk to you about one thing over and over. You know what you're supposed to do, right? You have your chores them where you have to do. And every morning me have to remind you to do it. Me no like that. And when me talk to you, after you want good, me I talk to you, you know. You're not going to realize it now, but later on, you will realize it for your own good. I truly love you. Me want the best for you, right? That's why sometimes, alright, you see how early me make you go to your bed at night time?
Yes, mommy.
Because me really want you to get some rest, that you can come and help me. Do your little work then where you have in the yard. And then if you feel to go back and go lay down, you can't go. But if you not do your work, or you go get to go lay down. I truly love you.
Me love you too, mommy. Alright, go on and come. Me wait for you here.
Alright, me soon come back.
Yeah. Go bed early. Go bed early.
Be water. Dirty water. Dali! Dali, oi!
Where she there?
Dali, oi!
Yeah, me girl them boom back.
Dali!
So, you know?
Walk on, baby!
Last night was that thing.
Bro, me I tell you. Bro, such man did ask for you, know.
You know from last night?
What? Tell him no.
Then the way she a go and pan him in the must ask for her.
The way who are going on him. When that the one that he back you up in the corner, I see you miss a couple minutes. Good old type party where you did there.
Tell me, over there. Son Ati.
So see the junk.
Bro, talk about it.
You know, so she missed out type party last night.
Me don't see her. One man locked down she, no.
Me know you miss her.
I want Mark X man me go with.
Ray! A lie!
A Mark X man.
I know the
Two
black
extra
shirt you.
ones. No, I want brown one.
Bombardos. So give you a piece of money now you must have cheese.
Cut out my money argument, man. Me not get no money. Him same have something where I go deal with and then he give me some money after.
You don't get no money!
Who no stop going to no?
You're
Where mean stop
stupid.
going to girl where money there and a market man?
Stop talk about that.
It
no.
can't really value.
Ashley, come show me dance that do last night. Come in and know how to do that.
Bro, the teeth.
Go on. Hey, you go too fast.
You have to learn where I mean me I go fast here, all man.
Asa?
Bro, put your back in it. You never watch TikTok. Sure.
Ready dance and we get
Ready?
the one the last
Sure.
night.
Yeah.
When he back me up so.
Hey.
I'm back it up so. I'm good on me wine. No much money me can't walk. Hey, bro, sit up on the boy. Hey, let me tell you something. Me a talk, man. Me a talk, brother. Me talk now. Me a talk. We a now. We so got to know. I'm go on with myself.
Dali!
Mommy.
So, come here. Come here.
Mommy.
So, Dali, which part you did the last night I broke out, so? Answer me, what you did the last night, me see when you got to your bed. So, which part you did and I broke out, so?
The Nikki birthday party, mommy.
You did ask me if you could have got on a party.
Yeah, that said no.
Okay. So, why me would I say no?
I would tell me, say me have to get up in the morning and feed the animal. And today is Sunday and a church morning. Mommy, you know your style already.
So you rather know say you go a party and go boogie down like how me see you are wind up yourself. Suppose when me did in my bed and me here say what accident happened down the road. Me not go look fi say are you down there you know come with say you there in your bed come me see when you go to your bed.
Girls just want to have fun, you know.
I choose Michelle's girls just wanna have fun.
Uno parents can allow uno to go out and go have fun. Can look like uno not under no control. You understand? But you, suppose something did happen to you.
Mommy, me know you pray for me.
Look here, you go no yard. You go no yard. I wear a piece of switch there. Let me tell you something. You see when night come, and you beg your figure. Look here.
Me tired of you too. Me tired.
Look here, girl. Look here, girl. Look here.
Mommy, let go of me, man.
Because you're 18 years old, what you think, sir? Where you take this thing for? 2 women are ruling here, sir. It's either you do what me say, or you find your way. Find your man yard, or if a man you have, you find your way.
Me I left.
Well, go on. Me not stop you. Go on, but don't come back.
Me not come back.
Make sure so you don't come back.
Yo. Oh God, me tired up. See Dalia come there.
Oh, my daddy, mother stay some man.
That me I say. See Dalia.
Daddy,
Right
your
now,
mother
me I
stay
tired.
so.
Me tired.
Me I left. Tired of this, man. Me I left. Me and mother just cuss me. Done.
So where I go?
Kira, me not can come stay up your yard.
You know, say, I should just ask me same thing because her stepfather up her yard and molest her.
You chat too much. Where still are there for? Me get nothing for advertise.
After I done nothing that, you all away a friend and you coulda tell me.
Yeah, me but me didn't tell her why she never allow me to tell her why she said first.
Nobody should have go through that. You better believe. Your stepfather over you?
Yes, girl, hundreds of times. Right now, me want left my yard to some mistake gone up on that the trip there. Me well ready. Yo, link him and kicks nigga no. You know see all with the stress out right now. I know you feel link him.
Because me have one little shillings and put aside and the whole I want to make a money because we are going to party and enough night me link out and we go to party. So
Yeah,
we put
money.
together.
Yeah, so we can go in somewhere.
When I call him,
Come on, no, go make it call. I left my phone on my yard.
I'll go back for me clothes them. Lord God, me dead like a dog. I go link Jeremy and then I make you know say me a cut. So I go stop up my yard and link him and them. Me come but you don't go left me and my family so.
Alright.
So I go call him. Don't go left me.
With your pastor go and wait for you. Hurry up.
Yeah man. Alright. Oh, that's one of wait for me.
You do homework. You do homework. You wanna do
Jeremy,
Yep. Yeah.
come here. Why cause the people live here?
Hi, honey.
Well,
We do it.
you know, so me have something to tell you.
Okay. What's up?
Me and mommy just done cuss. Big cuss, quarrel, everything.
So your mommy a cuss for now?
You know, so she over here me I talk to my friend and say we go to a party. And how me I go on bad and wicked last night because she think me to sleep and make up my bed and everything and left the bed. And then she go hear me I talk how me I go on bad in a party and say,
You did that one bad for you, you know?
type of foolishness, man. But she said me to come out. So me I go look somewhere go so me I cut.
No, boy, you can't come stay with me.
And I want those people live there where me I go sleep.
Babes, me and you can't sleep on the bed.
No, and your brother them sleep on them piece bed.
Babes, relax now. You know how long me been waiting for this. Me understand, say, me there so still, but you know so nice, you know so 100, but we can't make it work. Where you never go by the way?
Me no know me tell you. We go to the grill, go look somewhere so.
Babes, listen to me. Don't go down there so with them, because that's a foolishness. What them a care go to a nigga, the next thing you hear, you walk a man a business after you. You mad somebody? You know if you kill up yourself and stress out yourself.
B, nothing go on here so. Me can't stay here so with you and live with you and 1 dozen people.
So that means saying I believe in me then, because listen to me now. Just stop the foolishness, man. Where I go with them? Say, Mama, she so come. Come on, man.
Me say me nah go. Me mother rule me, you want rule me, I see them thing go on. Me say me a left.
Me not try for rule. Just stop the foolishness, man. Where I go?
You can't take it.
Come here, man. Where I go?
Let go of me now, brother. Let go of me now. Let go of me now. Let me kill him. Yes, Ashley. Yes. Nobody kill him. Make him stay now. Come on. No kill him. Nobody kill him. Come on. Bright. But me not go nowhere we don't know. Me not go nowhere. Bright.
Jaja. Girl, I want to go and make The boy Jeremy not come fight here and put in for you.
One piece of something, tell the boy say me a go. And I like me tell the boy say me a left for me a break up with him, you know he can't come. Me not gonna know what we do now. Because this and that. Right now, I'm stressed out.
Me see it for you, no
I'm glad to see you have me back here, so you're good on the boy. I want me see you start feed the boy. I should nearly kill him.
Me not like there's something they bright come put in for my friend.
Alright, but when we did your party, I got on with the things in it. I have no problem with that. You know, call your man.
I know that me have to go do because we don't have no more option.
Call him, I can give you a thing to back up. Because we have to look somewhere about.
Yeah, tell her. Hello? Voicemail, be a voicemail, brother.
Nothing
I have to go check in my yard. I go look if him over there. I'm calling cousin. Yeah, ring. Hello? Hello? Ted? You know see Jutta? Come here calling phone and I'm not get him. Down your road? Oh, me there near the desk. Me I go walk down there. Alright, thanks, yeah? Yeah. I'm saying they down your road.
Come.
You didn't notice how the man they want move?
I'm stressed out yourself, because you know me forgot.
Me? Stress way. Mad over boy? Never.
I poor about that. I think about when me I go on the road, when I bust off right there and get a job, because I love party.
And me? We go at. I remember saying me an artist and me I go, you see me? Oh yes. We are going to make it, girl. I don't know why.
Wait there. You know, like more and PP, me I go over this, so some come.
Alright. Hurry up, you know. What Kira do? Girl! What you do? Number one and number two. Hurry up, brother. You just have your test waiting at burning sun so long, bro.
Sure, tell me how PP for the coming up.
Are you named PP Lily? Yeah, that touch me. Nancy, go watch your hand. We know a side cream but under.
Plus me down. I'm going to have to take off for what are these?
Nancy. Stop. You could have watched that over there, oh, pipe over there. Walk, please. Oh, me look, me I doing this, so me look good.
You look nice, man, but your belly bad.
Jaja, you have to say that.
See your man carry the skin out your teeth, see carry there.
I can't my Jutta that.
Clothes are fixed. Everything
You're
are
good on this for that girl right
You
now.
come and see a mad girl. You know see a mad girl. Come, Ashley. Ashley.
Yo, mama.
Let me alone.
Yo,
Don't tell me no. Don't tell me. Me don't want ear, man. Me don't want ear.
Easy now, I want to
Who
carry
is
the
that?
excitement right.
What you mean?
Remember say you know
Excitement, this
Remember say you know me real woman like that, you know.
Some of the business. Me not true me a side woman, no other side girl for there, cause that ain't your wife.
Easy now, man. Just watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Don't tell me nothing. Hey girl, come out! Come out!
My girl.
Come now!
Bill, man, just
Come out of this side. Come out of this
my
side,
girl,
girl.
Bill, you hear me tell her? Just Bill, follow Ashley, be here. Bill, you hear me say? Lock the door.
Just bail, yo.
You know see you diss me? You diss me big time, you just style me. I can't believe this. I want some money and nigga me I go right now.
Think you that just hold her down and do see about 14,000.
Give me this, I'm not business job. I'm going to come back for some more money.
But you, girl.
And you see that girl there?
You.
You better tell her, say me I want a married girl, you know. Nobody tell me nothing, because me turn over that carrier.
Yo, my girl. Easy your foolishness and stop the foolishness. You hear me I say? Stop the foolishness and you should talk to your friend, you know. My girl, I'm not even woman in that car.
Don't
I'm a
talk to my
sister.
friend them.
Sister, fix up clothes.
And I fix up clothes.
Yo, you see it? You shouldn't not talk to your friend and come like a mischief on me.
Don't talk to my friend them. Because you see you 1124 JJ, Jutta just get bang. Remember that.
Aren't you dirty, so? Right. But a man out of that.
That me I say. All a girl lucky say me name hold him.
And that me I say, I don't know him, man. And he know what we know. But you know, so we have to have your back. But you're slack. Stop going like
I can't believe what just go on.
Say, well, I know.
Me know about another that.
People, man. Oh.
Me can't believe. How am I do? I type him much I type her.
In God, man. Actually, come now.
Me a watch.
Watch, man, watch.
I tap then the top door. Me know say girl I go come out, man. Them a tap. Wait. Me not tell her them a tap. Come on.
Let her out. Wait, let out the girl.
See come out there, watch her. Come on.
Time, man, I know make the girl see me, you know. We don't see her. We don't see her, girl. We don't see her.
Yo,
We don't see her.
cut
We don't see her. We don't see her.
Cut out that, man. Cut out
Yes, man.
Don't be up yourself.
Tell us how we are going to see
yourself, man. Relax yourself.
Tell us how we when we reach over there, say you're talking.
Relax yourself.
We reach over there, say you're talking.
Go yam a bella girl boy eat up in her front seat.
And skin out
Wait till
your
me walk
teeth.
you.
You're lucky. Remember me tell you that.
Me say I change
Put on
it.
the
All I go are
Right.
still don't feel good, brother. You are mash up girl, wicked.
Let me phone them come boyfriend. I'm going to go come. All this. Hello? B. Ma, you have to come pick me up tonight and bring me to Grill. When you come, we talk to you. Me, Daddy, and Ashley. Yeah. Alright.
You have to hurry up because I'm stressed out. You said good.
Oh boy.
I'll get cut.
Babes. Everybody in the car.
Yeah, the bag, them and everything. Come on, now we're ready.
Alright, come here, you know someone to talk to you.
Me a Ford.
Right now my wife in the house and I don't want to tire, you know. A good distance me have to travel right now.
Alright,
So I'll drop you off and
yeah man, me ready. Hope she not up there see me now. Come on, I'm going, come on.
hold on there. Babes. I hope you not go down there, you know. No, but I go give away my thing, you know.
Me not do that.
Right now I have to stay back right now. I want to see you. Right, I want to see every day, but you know my wife. I have to do things and you know it works same way.
Yeah man.
But I want to see you often, you know, looking at my face.
Babes, what you worry about? You know the situation already. And come on before you get late. You have to go back to your wife.
So I like it up and rush though.
Now your wife see me. We have to go find someone to go rent, you know, because the people they say October back a check out time.
You know, say true, but I 1, 2, 3 that we go look somewhere and make we pray, but your man a good man, you know, girl.
That yes, that's true.
If you make with Tanya, feel nice. Why?
Big up a nice clean self.
Big up yourself, your thing I work good.
No call Kenrick no. Making drop in a town.
Come back. Why this don't make no sense? We have to go just split up. And we go walk till we tired, till they drive till we tired. So here what? Me have to go up a beach road, go see if me can walk and go and live. Where you go? You can go up and down pool.
Me go Western. That's where me I go.
Like I was saying. You have to do that then. Me have to put the phone on maybe. You have to do call, man. Call.
Alright.
Alright. Sir.
Yeah?
You know about now we are rent. Coming up on the road for a day. And no way.
You know, say, one room there's someone up the line there. Can't get the face still in it.
We will want somewhere for rent, man. See?
Yo, what you do? Give me your number, man. I mean, get the room here.
876
Mm-hmm.
453
Mm-hmm.
3015.
So, what's your name?
Dolly.
Dolly. You have a beautiful name, Dolly. Alright, if I anything, me call you, yeah?
Me I go keep on walk and look still cause me have to just go and look.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright.
Alright.
Good afternoon, sir. Excuse me. You don't know if now we're around here, we are rent.
You know, say just about a couple of weeks now, I'm here, I'm ready to know a place 100, you understand me?
Yeah, man, thanks.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Alright.
River did nice today, you know.
Yeah, man, River did nice, man. When we can go back again?
You know, so I don't know though. But boy, I wonder if we can go tomorrow, but I don't read that still. I wonder if mommy did call daddy, you know, and tell him say me did fi down there today, you know, cause we turn long still, and then them clothes take a long to dry too.
She never did listen to me. Look how me swimming in my underwear. I made that tell us if you swim in your underwear, but you never listen, cause them they take long to dry. See your father there coming now?
What you do for little girl?
Daddy, you know, so I'm tired if you ever know for me I walk from. Every taxi me take it broke down, and where have me if you walk come from. Every minute me go in one car, it broke down.
Oh. One thing we don't know nowadays, you know, no fees or no summer. A while ago, me come off of my phone. Me see you and one man turn up, yes, so.
Me know
where
man
the
name
man in the blue? Are you alone there, so?
Yes, I'm me alone did turn up here, so daddy. Me know my name turn up here, so. Unless somebody else say they pass, I think say me and him turn up here, so. But I'm me alone turn up here, so because me tired, so. Me just did turn up a little bit, then me say me I come sit down.
You're tired? And right down that's me live. You know, take your time, crawl, come down the so. Come sit down on the veranda. Up up and cheat on sit down.
Daddy, but me tired of the way they respect me for do. We have serve me and where I come from, no water, nothing. And nobody, we are them heartless.
Where the youth in the blue shirt?
Which youth in which blue shirt? Daddy, me I know youth they turn up here, so me alone did turn up.
I try for 4 down, so me here not so good some of the time. I mean, no, say me see blue shirt.
Daddy, I fool you. You know, see me and nobody in no blue shirt turn up here, so unless somebody get see the pass by and you think say, I'm me and him turn up here, so. But I'm me alone, and when me turn up, so me come walk here, so I say me want to come sit down, so I just sit down right here, so. I say me a rest off, little, you know, for me I come from.
Me know say me I not fool me. I'm going to tell you since you can't fool me. I can't wait till 3 more years for now you're there on your... I'm taking them full of nice on the road here. What me say differently do? I can't wait till your time reach you can done school, so me not give you $1 more because I feel that. Because your mother bright enough
Daddy,
to
I'm
tell
going
me.
like say they give me no heap of money. You don't give me no
I might
money.
have slap in your face, that's, yeah.
Daddy, I can't like it like give me no money for go to school. They give me no money. Can feel $500 two little biscuit can't hold me.
You're bright and face, you know. You know you talked to me a while ago and you have a type of grin up your teeth? Alright, who last laugh best? You know what? Don't come out of my yard. When you're done, you walk go back a sub. Walk go back a sub. If you think you're bad, come down on my yard this evening.
Daddy, me a come, Daddy.
I go text and give come down there. Don't, you're private property, you know. If you think you're bad, trespass down there. Because you just this me a while ago, you know. I said things when put out your mother, you know. Face you run him out too much. You see, your mother have set size of mouth and chat too much. But I'm showing me you people chat too much. Don't come down my yard. Take yourself, walk back up your mother. Call your mother, tell her to pick you back. And when, if I know how start out, my mother start out things are cool. So when you have manners, you deal with me. Because
Daddy, me can't walk yourself.
Let me tell you something. You see, system, I put a kunino, so I'm not kunino. So if you know no problem with the law, me I do the best thing. Don't come on my yard. It's my private property. Anything me do you over the cross the line, so nobody can say no to me because you know I tell you not to cross the border. Because you don't have no manners. Look a girl, what call her mother? Me call her mother.
Yo, tomorrow, you know?
Yeah, man.
Fire.
Go on.
Me I go in town go get something.
Go on with you.
And come back so. But I like you figure your eye because my door no lock.
Hello.
The lock spoil. And me tell you for a long time I know you can't change the lock.
You know, I'm not security for your place. I can move at any time. Post one girl call me now. But I'm going to fix something for them. I miss a fix it, you know. So I don't want you to give me responsibility for watch your house. I don't have time for that. So anyway, up on the way I do. Because truly see, I feel like I want to cool out to see we can have a party later. We got shell long something. So I get myself active and get ready. So go and go there. I'm not left you now.
Everything good man. I'll buy one padlock.
Maybe find yourself and look man, man.
That me I go do.
Hello.
Oh, go on.
You know where around here rent?
No, sir, no, so I don't know where around here and though.
I want good area by the way.
Yeah, man, around here, so peace and love around here, so man, around here, a nice place. Hello, Miss Candy. May a minute there, please. They're along here, dear. I ask if you know anywhere I rent.
What's your name?
Kira.
Oh. I know my name Fire. Same place where I live. He have space over in yard. So I can carry it to him and yarn him we talk about it.
Thanks here.
Yeah, man, no problem.
So I'm going to talk to him. I'm not over there. Fire.
Evening.
One out.
That girl that me carry to you. She me know say you have empty room in there. She see me on the road and they ask if me don't know nobody will have no room. And me tell her say my landlord have space over female yard, so me I carry her come make you talk to her.
Alright. So let's say you have money?
Yes.
Alright, we can't talk then. Come on, we not do business up on the roadside. Come in our yard.
Alright, later me I go back out on the road here.
Alright. So you're new to down here?
Yeah, first we come down here.
Let's say a week, I don't understand.
Me have some other friend, them gonna look places at different places.
Watch your step. Sit down, that's all.
You may come link, you know. What do you mean, shh? I understand this.
I say, I want to talk to you about something.
You want to talk
about the dirty landlord boy where they down there.
Yeah, come in and understand. Yo, we need to start stay down there and we can, you know what I mean, build back and wake up because sometimes we can't by early morning rise and me run out. You know what I mean? You catch cold in the morning.
You know, say last night in here we. You never hear him cleaning throat, that's why I tell us if it take time. You don't want no man in here, I tell you already. Next time when you come, don't wear no man cologne. Wear the woman cologne them. Because he know how man cologne smell. And it make him a nag me so. You know what me go tell you something? He might look in tenant them. And it make him no want no man come in yard.
He might look you. Because I don't understand how him so into you and all these people where you talk about. Me not business about them, you know. You be business about. Because you have a good. I'm sure about that. You understand me? But hear me I say, we have to go work out a thing because me need to can stay down there.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, he not look me in words, but he might look me in action. You see, at night time when I'm not there, every minute he come knock me door. Candy, they call me. Tell me what hour make him knock me door. No must look him and look me in action and not words. Me not understand him. That's why you see he make me stay so long. Because he tell me about one day about me just want to work out sitting here now. Me I got a niggle right now.
No.
Yes, no, because I have something to sort out. But just in case I come tonight, I'm at half come tonight.
Alright.
And if you buck him up and he say nothing to you, tell him straight and plain say, me and you are cousin.
Alright. You know what I go do? I go home now, go bathe, change my clothes and get ready because I don't want late. So make sure so when you reach there, you know. And me say.
You know, so we never finished though last night.
I know that.
And because him and the cleaning throat, you can know saying out there listen. So tonight we have something to sort out. Follow me go out there so because I go take taxi and come on.
Why you say coming on?
Me and my two friends them.
Alright, that sounds good, man. So, alright, you want me to talk to you or you wait till them come?
You can talk to me, man, and when them come, me tell them the information.
Alright. So, I have 2 bedrooms inside. You know what I mean? I have a lovely hall, we have kitchen, we have bathroom, flush toilet, running water, washing machine, I have all of the things, current everything there. So, how you went go now? You have to pay. Each of the room them is like 15,000 for a month. Furnished room there. But that room look good, make them go in the price. I can't make the price. You know what I mean? So 15 and 15, that's 45. So it'll be 45 each share. We can bounce off the 5. If I put one side and give it 40 each share when we run off the place. You understand? So how that sound?
That sound good, man.
Yeah.
We manage that.
That's 40,000 a month, you know. But you know about rent, you know, rent to a place, you have to pay in advance. So we want 5 months deposit. No, not 5, but give me 3 months deposit. Then. You can't wait a while ago like my friend here. Give me 3 months deposit.
Sir, it's 3 weeks young. We don't have that much money to go pay a 3 months deposit. A 1 month deposit I always hear about. We can't go manage to pay that.
Alright. I love to when young girls try. Sorry, I say girl. Young ladies trying. So I now be the one going to knock me down on the first rent. Alright then. Where them there?
One of them gone to one place named West End.
West End, you know that place?
Gone look house, and one of them gone at some Negro Beach somewhere. Gone look house for rent.
Them now get no place to rent because on the beach or West End is very expensive. I'm on the best chance you know have right now compared to that the price there because the price of me I tell you a monkey money price because cost of living higher. So call them and let them know for you there from early because go and do me because I tell them I'm a bashment night tonight, you know. So I know not do from early. So call them and come and you can get the business on the road, alright?
Alright, me step out and call them.
I'm there in my room, man. I'm there in my room.
Hello?
Ashe?
Yeah.
Me find one place out on something on the April Road.
Eh?
Yeah. Take one taxi and tell them to let you have right on April at the cash pot shop. And call Dolly.
Alright, come me dey close by this so. Alright, I'm gonna do that now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Kira, wait, can you walk in and know where you are going?
Tired enough?
Kira. Boy.
like cash pot shop. And where you send me to come?
Come round in lane and come round. Me dey out in front of your corner.
Come in the lane and then we turn one. The turn off and they come straight.
Turn left.
Turn left. Alright, come down. Yeah. Left. Wanna come?
I wanna look so.
Hey, baby.
As she happy. Come. I say place there.
Jesus. You see you.
Nice.
Yeah. You done. One run now.
Away Monday. I'm tired and want to go sleep right now.
I feel me. I mean, I'm tired like a dog, man.
Oh, call him.
You Swiss who come?
Where key ready?
She gonna beard.
Oh.
Alright, I see. I'm there already. Now watch me topless. Come here, go one party tonight. It's a topless Tuesday. Yeah, let me go roll out. And to serious matter, please stop looking at my chest, right? Just listen. Alright, when next one there?
She a beard.
Alright, so you can't deliver the message. You know what I mean? You want to know, we have some rules. I have the rule paper for me now. By the time I go to a place and print it up. By the time I go on receipt, because I don't never have full money. Because normally I take 3 months in advance. You know what I mean? But because I know nice and so not trying girls, I ensure say I go and blind. So, no short for my rent.
Yeah.
Right?
No, sir.
Don't eat up my food. Right? If you want anything in here, ask me. And one I think we mainly want to understand say, no man here.
Huh? What do you mean by no man here?
And then me I say, we have to have a little man over here. We have a little husband. And Kira be my ex-man.
Tell you something. This is not a motel. This is not a ramping shop. Only one ramping shop there and see it in your so. Only place on the car ramping does so. So no man over does so. Only live over at one ramp Greenfield Hotel. Sit there. The whole like the black phone. Candy shot there. Candy there for 3 here. And Candy know say I don't want no man here. So if you don't want it, you can go on. You don't want your room them?
Yeah, man, we want the room. We have to take it.
No, man, you can't work, man. Yes. Alright.
You miss a thing. You want to tell you rules, them.
Yeah, the rule them simple, man. First thing, don't name my food you see in the place here. Unless you not ask for feet. Next thing at all, me no want no man here. Apart from that, I know some have a 3 string and 4 string. Don't hang no jars in the bathroom. Because I have a tenant who have to evict her quickly because everything she wears, she does all over the place. I now walk and clean up here now, I to clean. I will not clean the room, I just do straight through, clean my room too. And if you know laundry and I wash clothes, wash my clothes them too.
No, sir, this extra, no, sir.
No, because you not get extra blight.
What do you mean extra blight?
Extra blight because you not pay me full money, you not have a 3-month deposit, you not have only 1 month. A 1 month you not have.
I lie, that no sound bad, that no good.
So since you have 1 month, me I go na blight, so you not get a blight, you not give me a blight too. You not no question?
Yes, sir. Why your Wi-Fi password?
Wi-Fi password. If I give the Wi-Fi password, me have to pay a bill, you know. If you think you're bad, try clicking on it. Clicking on Wi-Fi. You think it's free? You think it's free? Yeah, rent room. You know, rent Wi-Fi. You want Wi-Fi with you?
So, sir, we are just 3 young girls and 3 young trained girls, and we go through a lot and something. You don't feel like say you might have to deal with us so hard and stuff. We don't want it all inclusive. We can just get a room for the time being.
And the Wi-Fi?
You know, say it look like me attack and now get it straight. I tell you that I'm going in the whole of the place over the side here. You have a hall, they have a bedroom, and a bedroom says 3 departments. You just pick on a choice. Because you can't rub nothing outside, you know? No, two women now sleep in one bed. No, warm up.
What do you mean? Oh,
If you no cold, might be you no can contact me. In your show. Me a live blanket in there. But cheer up man. When a girl man, me like when you come out to the full of fun, me not like when you look so sad and I look like when you tired though, and have a long day. But live for yourself man, you see me have vibes. I mean vibes. Me like when you happy. Have fun man, go on inside, have fun. I want to go have fun, go on in. Yeah, I want to go on in, because I'm always the place for so. Because I practice my dance before I go dance, because them young boy that try out smart me. No, not my roommate. I must try out smart, I want the dirt. Dirt.
Oh yeah, there's the part over there.
Alright. So nice.
Japan, come go sit down. That man is a pervert.
Me see it, man. And what can I sell him name at that boat? No, man. Why you want to kick man and come here, girl?
Him can't go and chat now. Because he love my sort out. And my market man up pay my rent.
It's a truth.
I want to sleep. Because me I take one of the room where door can lock. Because that man not right.
Alright, me take that room there right yourself.
Jaja, so me saw you come like a coach of mine then. Go on in the room when I lay down because I'm tired.
Alright, so lock your leg tight, missus.
My legs are tight. Oh my. What a
Yo, where are they? How are you? When I mean that squishy in there, how are you?
I can't the cousin, man. I can't the cousin, you know. I can't let me come check because we have some family matters we have to go start out.
Yo, me tell something. Candy not tell you the rule of the yard there.
No, sir.
Candy!
Where you say?
Come here there. Who the Virginia?
I'm a man. I'm a cousin.
Hey, me say no. Me have agreement, you know. Me no want no man, yeah. You want to talk to your man cousin, you go in yard, I talk him out of gate. Came out of gate. Me no want him a party, I get myself go. I get myself ready to go a party. So, you have to talk out of gate.
Fire, what you talk about? Every minute you tell me about man. Me tell you, say I'm my cousin. When you look like you want a woman, I want a man, and I'm my cousin.
Alright.
Candy, I want to go for.
I'm not afraid of that fool.
You see the last boy this in my yard? You put a mark, say no man now come in the yard. Now what? A man can't go, come and go on.
I'm my cousin, so
paranoid, you know. No want no man, yeah, I'm paranoid.
Fire. Me not worry.
Don't point the finger for me.
Me not worry, but me not afraid of no boy. And you can't do me cousin nothing. You know, you know go out the road and come out and yard. You see you?
Go out the road.
Don't worry yourself, man. If me did let you in, you wouldn't go for my shit.
Oh, when you smart. When you smart. See you man, yo, daddy. No disrespect, turn out the gate. Don't come in yourself. One man in yourself. One king. No play around.
Candy, this is a man, yeah. I'm no landlord. Candy.
Take time.
A bunny you give me? Candy, a bunny you give me? So how will someone you come out and with machete?
Me not give no.
Why am I defend?
Me not give no bone, I swear. This a man here, a Sointan, he no want no man come in a yard.
No, sir. Don't like how this looking. Something I look. I see me coming to you now. Come here. But you have my shade, sir. How am I go?
No hard feelings, brother. You know what stuff may good. Coming on a man of my yard. But that's a rule, and I think the thing must run by rule and regulation. So I respect my right, you respect your right. If I catch a cross the free, problem.
Mad rule, Mad rule.
Hey, I have it, you know. No feel I don't have it, you know. Alright, but anyway, one lucky thing, you know, and run off the yard. You know what I mean? I go to one party, enjoy myself and do the dirt. You know what I mean? Enjoy myself later.
This man a mad man, a madness. No? Candy.
Burn it down. Yeah, man, live and living color, man. Burn down to the ground, man. Yo, you see, with up on the face on our part, click the button, ensure you subscribe, you know what I mean? And get notification. Because New Year, 2022, the year starts slow for everybody. So pick up now, so we can put in some more. Just do the right thing. Share the content them with a friend them, you know what I mean? Big up all the sponsor them, you know what I mean? Big up all of the relative people them who are push the thing forward, because we are build a family out there, you know what I mean? Because it's a war right here, you know what I mean? So the family have to look out for the movements and make the movements become giant, you know what I mean? So we can help a lot of people, you know what I mean, as we go along the journey of life. Trying to make content that makes sense. So 2022, we are rebrand our movie. So it's not just movie again, it's reggae movie. You know what I mean? Because you know it represents for Jamaica, because reggae is from Jamaica. So the movie, what we are doing now is a different genre and movie. We are trying to make it different, to make it more raw and more real, just like jamming. You know what I mean? So, you know, reggae music is a free spirit of expression yourself, you know what I mean? In all different area. That's how reggae is. Just expressing of self, when at the mind, struggle where I go through, happiness, happy time, all different types of, so you go in one category. So it's not gonna be an action movie, it's not gonna be a drama movie, it's gonna be a reggae movie. So that's the brand. We soon have a reggae movie shirt them come out. So we want the people to purchase them. We will do that as one of the merch. So we have come forward with merch soon and shortly, some shirt and some mug and some different things, reggae movie. You know what I mean? We can help ourselves. Let us prove it. You know what I mean? Move up. You know what I mean? Because we have to do it. We don't try. So this is a movie I get a while ago. It's a series, so there's plenty more part to come. You know what I mean? So leave your comments. Tell me what you think of the movie. And stay tuned. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Big up all the sponsor them, all the producer them. And everybody, you know yourself, man. One family. Because the name is a long list. You know what I mean? So, we talk soon, man. Burn it down to the ground.
Alright, so you don't know, it's always a pleasure to create this content for you, the viewers, because you don't know only make we do it, you know. Without having viewers, we wouldn't do it. So, we love the fact that we have people who invested in our way, the people who message we call, we say, yo, we love Ronaldo. People who actually call me and say, yo, I just send a movie to 10 of my friends them. You know, share the content, so therefore the channel them can grow. Because at the end of the day, in order to make this sustainable and to make it work, but that's why I say we try to have more than one channel. in that sense that we can bring in more revenue and we can take care of the things that we need to take care of, because people might see this as something simple. Oh, then just take up some camera and then just video, but it's much more than that. We have to take care of all of the overhead costs. On a daily basis, we have a lot of people who involved in the making of the movie process. People from the acting aspect, people from because if you notice, we use a lot of different faces in the movie than what we do. So we always have a lot of people around. So we have to ensure that we take care of them, from taxi fare, if we go back at them yard, to accommodation, to food, and to actually ensure that at the end of the month, people get something, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we're not making a whole lot of money off of what we are doing, but at least we like to show appreciation, make people know, say, yo, we appreciate the fact that we take the time on to come put in some work and to ensure that we create content on a daily basis. What we are doing, we see growth in a hit in terms of where we started from subscriber count to the quality of the content to the quality of the acting. We see where people are improving, so it make me feel good for know say, yo, what we are do and make sense, and we are make a difference in our country, in our world, where there is not a lot of people who are trying to make a difference. So we really feel good for know what we are do make sense, and what we are do a touch and a reach people. So big up to everybody who continue to support what we are do, from the persons them who share the content, from the persons them who reach out to us and send us a little donation. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Continue to support. We're not reaching our way yet, we still need no support. Continue to share the content and continue to support what we are doing. Big up on yourself and just keep on watch, because we don't stop create content for you. And make sure you subscribe to all of the channels, and make sure you subscribe to JAMMIWOOD, make sure you subscribe to Richard Brown Films, Richard from Films BTS, and all the other persons who are around us who have channel, from Juta Rhymes channel to Public Report to Life with Kira, Shakaberry Madness, Paradise Nation, everybody who involved in our we are doing, because they don't know. Candy. Remember, we have Auntie Candy. We will put that Auntie Candy content over on Reality JA. So make sure you subscribe to that channel, to Reality JA also. And Spoonie videos. You don't know. We just want to make everything make sense. So big up on yourself. Continue to support. Oh, and one more thing. We're supposed to go Mandeville this weekend, which is this Saturday. So if there are persons out there who are watching this video and are interested in acting and want to be a part of what we are doing, link with up, man. We got there Mandeville, so we can see if we can put it in a movie, or we can meet and greet same way. So DM us on Richard Brown Films on Instagram, and make sure you follow me on Instagram also. Big up on yourself, alright?
Yeah, man. And subscribe, man. Subscribe. And you know the thing go, girls just want to have fun. So there's a lot of things going to come for that series, yeah? The unexpected. So you got to be lots more girls involved in this film, because girls want to have fun. So stay tuned. Burn it down to the ground.